Good day everyone! For this video, our group, the Pandora Infinity Ring, will discuss the character analysis of Song Gi-hoon, the main character of the Netflix show The Squid Game. As what I've said before, Song Gi-hoon is the protagonist of the Netflix Korean drama The Squid Game. He's a divorcee and an indebted gambler, as it is his only way to survive. He does chauffeur service for a living and is also a former assembly worker. He is then invited to join the Squid Game, a series of children's games where the winner wins a large amount of money that will be a big help to settle his debts. Little did he know that the game was a battle between life and death. Let's now proceed to where we will analyze Song Gi-hoon as an agent. Song Gi-hoon has a goal of winning the game to pay all his debt and to earn money to gain the custody of his daughter that is about to move to the United States with her mother and stepfather. He also has a vision of using the money to treat her mother, who is diagnosed with diabetes. His eye then suffered and did everything to reach his plans and goals. In the end, he won the game and lost all his teammates. After winning the game, his mother died, so he lived quietly for a year. At the end of the movie, his goal wasn't clear if he would destroy the game itself as it kills hundreds of thousands of people, or if he will continue going to the United States.
Let us now turn our attention to Song Gi-hoon as an actor. He had several roles played throughout his life, and here are a few of them. First and foremost, as a father, he is a caring parent since he found a way to purchase a gift for his daughter's birthday, despite the fact that the money he used to buy it came from his gambling. Also, one of the reasons he entered the game was to prove to the court that he is capable of raising her, so that he can also be granted the custody of his daughter. Second, as a mother's son. He can be described as a loving son because another reason why he joined the game is to aid for the medical expenses of his mother, with whom he resided after his divorce.
As a key player, he was less brutal compared to other participants in terms of trying to directly harm other people. This is evident throughout the whole show, as he is reluctant to kill other people unless the game pressured him to do so.
The next perspective of self that we would like to correlate to Song Gi-hoon is the self as an author. Song Gi-hoon incomparably is one of the few characters who represents the perspective of self as an author. Most of his life is composed of bad experiences, like when he was fired from the car manufacturing company that he is working on for 16 years. Consequently, he tried venturing on food businesses but also failed. This resulted to him living with his mother and got a gambling addiction that made his debts even higher. More importantly, even resulting to a divorce with his wife. From these events, an important point in his life is when he tried to prove that he is a loving son by finding a way to pay for his mother's medical bills, as well as a better father for his daughter by basically finding ways to help in financial assistance. Due to these experiences, the story of him in participating in the Squid Game kicked off, without knowing the secrets behind this so-called game. This is not just to pay his debts, but also to reciprocate his love to his daughter and mother. This action of Song Gi-hoon reflects the perspective of self as an author, by which he tried to build a foundation of change from his past experiences to eventually construct his life in his future. It eventually got paid off when he won the game. But it left us with the question, what did it cost? And it is everything. Now looking at his perspective, did he really think that he won? Now that he lost everything beside his money, all he wants now is to dismantle the gruesome company to the ground that is the cause of everything that happened. He even abandoned his flight where he's supposed to finally reunite with his daughter and give her a legitimate present. What's next in line for Song Gi-hoon's life? No one knows yet, and only time will tell.
And that concludes our character analysis for Song Gi-hoon. Thank you for watching.